That's not very grand.
That's not the Grand Canyon.
How do you know? It looks like a canyon to me. That's a big hole in the ground.
But that's not the Grand one.
Well, it's hot as hell out here in Arizona. Apparently it's only 72, but it feels like 150. So today's gonna kind of suck. Here we are, looking like tourists in Arizona. CJ's very angry. I'm locking them in the RV right now. It's been going on for days, so it's been a bit of a struggle.
Hey everyone, vlog time.
Yeah.
Sean's just gonna like repeat every last word I say.
Every last word.
Yeah, pretty much. So this is it. This is the Grand Canyon.
This is not the Grand Canyon.
It's grand, isn't it?
This is not the Grand Canyon. This is Antelope Canyon.
This is not Antelope.
So this is Horseshoe Bend,
which is a part of the Grand
which
Canyon.
is a part of the Grand Canyon, but it's not the Grand Canyon. You know, everyone here, it's hot. You can tell who's the tourist and who's not based on their hat. Especially this one. CJ's water bottle, he's emptying it out actually.
Because it's hot water that's been sitting in our field.
Maybe you should have drank it.
Plants in the desert don't use water.
What do they use to survive?
Photosynthesis.
Can you spell that word?
PHOTOSYNTHIS. I guess we're a group of 5 now.
Can I push him off the cliff?
Whoa,
This
whoa.
is a threat.
Oh my god!
Oh yeah. There was all the premeditation about that.
There's 2 very different conversations going on right now. You said thank you. Have a good one 7 times. Wow, next door. I tried backing up. These people are all crazy. Going too close to the edge. Insane. Woo! Don't cry, Dorothy. It's okay.
Yeah, I'm
You'll
not
find
crying.
Damn, good for them. Getting married. Oh, freaking sun. Oh, those rays hurt. We're going kayaking, paddleboarding.
Huh? Wait, we're gonna everyone bring one. Oh, grab me one.
Bring what, a beer?
Yeah.
CJ.
Hey.
There they are, slow pokes. We're out here doing 360 donuts and they're still so far behind. Damn, he's probably dead. Oh no, he lived.
9 out of 10.
Hell yeah.
Thank you. Y'all got beer?
Oh god, oh god. Looking like a good team there. I like that. You guys not so much. All right. They got a swirly slide on their freaking boat. It's a ball attached to a string, which we're going near, which I don't think we're supposed to go near, but CJ's insisting we go near it. They're taking their time? Okay.
I take pictures. Probably. That's
I mean, you're right.
probably stop every 5
Well, I was gonna say it every 5 minutes.
I think that was a little sexist. What do you think?
Oh, now we're flirting with the jet ski guy.
Jet ski dog. Who the f was good? Too much. Hell yeah. Apparently anybody could just ride a boat through here. CJ, now drop the phone in the water.
I spilled it all over me.
Sponsored by Upside Down Doritos. Mmm, tasty. Even when crushed up in your bag.
No,
You're clear. Got a freaking party out. Rolling into shore. Hopefully some people make some room for us or we'll hit their boats. Okay. We have boat D10 and 01 with a line over it. This is not the Narrows. What? CJ trying to squeeze through there. You could lie and pretend like you did squeeze through here. It's almost been an hour. We still haven't been to the edge. We have no idea where it is. We're feeling lost. They're all back there. All right, guys, you missed a lot so far because I didn't have this out because I didn't think anything exciting would happen on the way back. But as soon as we came out of the bay, there was this boat. We almost hit this girl holding 2 Trulies, and CJ over here asked for some free beer, and you know what? They gave it to us. They threw us 2 ice cold brewskis from a broski. Right after that, we're like, oh, we're living breezy, we're drinking. This dude swimming through the water in no boat. We're like, what the hell is this? Turns out his kayak filled with too much water for 2 people, so his girlfriend kept going, so we had to drag him from the back of the kayak. We just found the girlfriend, the water was empty, and we shoved him back on the boat. Water rescue, #1, we're great. There's our stop right there. We just gotta shoo the boat in right there. You see I have band-aids where my blisters are, and a watch tan. There's CJ. They're completely missing all the way back there, so we have no freaking idea. But yeah, this is where we ended. Maybe this is where we ended. I don't know. We might be doing something else today. That's a waste of tires. Or maybe they were like up tires to begin with.
Hey, watch your mouth on the GoPro.
Maybe they were bad tires to begin with. Going back into shore. But are we really sure that we're done for the day?
We have to drive 3 hours to Grand Canyon.
Yay! You didn't rhyme. You ruined it.